How we improve lives. This video will help you learn about the Munson Healthcare operating system. This segment is about problem-solving skills. The purpose of problem-solving is to find ways to improve our processes and assure Munson Healthcare's ability to serve our community. We talked with 3 graduates of the Munson Healthcare Frontline Leadership Program. Each of them shared the problem they solved with their frontline project. First, we met with John Coy, who worked on the problem of not having the right hygiene supplies needed for new patients.
So someone submitted an improvement ticket to our improvement huddle board several months back and related to patient care and daily hygiene. And so I saw this as a great opportunity to improve what we do. With COVID, our rooms kind of got taken apart. So that improvement ticket that was submitted really highlighted daily baths and daily hygiene not being done. So what I did after a little root cause analysis was create a supply bin for patient care to have in every patient room. So what we came up with the help of a few people, between my manager, our logistics technician, and a few other staff members, we came up with a supply bin to have readily available for patients on admission. So what we came up with was daily care items, set of wipes, oral care supplies, a few different soaps, something readily available you can have on admission for patients.
Prior to using the supply bin, supplies were kept in cabinets.
For example, this tall cabinet previously held individual soaps, deodorant, toothbrushes, and it just wasn't being done. It wasn't kind of set as an expectation for our supply technician. So we revamped it, and we have the individual bin now that can be created ahead of time. And we actually have like a par of these in one of our supply rooms. So our supply technician puts these together kind of in bulk, sets them aside, and then several times a week goes and stocks these bins in the room. So we have anywhere from 2 to 4 bins in every patient room. It's simplified it for our technician to just have individual bins, and now it's guaranteed supply in every room for a patient on admission.
Next, we spoke with Megan O'Hearn, who explained a time-saving change made to the new patient appointment cards.
We've used the same appointment card for a long time. Kind of basic, just name, date, and time. And they were so simple that they were not efficient enough for our staff to be using. However, we just continued with what we needed to do. They evolved over time, and we started writing a bunch of notes on there for the patients and writing more and more and more, and they became tedious to fill out and give the patient all the information that they needed. So after realizing that we were spending all this time writing notes for the patients, we decided that it would be beneficial to create a newer appointment card with more pertinent information, where the things the patient needed to know were already on there. It simplified it for the staff, it made it quicker. We allowed room for circling important information, and it really improved our timeline of just even writing the appointment card for the patient. For each patient, each appointment card we write, I would say we save about 2 minutes on average from what I recorded, where we don't have to manually write all these little notes and details for the patients.
We also talked with Michelle Lane, who described the challenges they faced in ensuring that linens are available.
On A4, we were having an issue with linens not being stocked and available in patient rooms when we needed them. So it was causing a delay in patient care. Staff were having to go retrieve linens anytime they needed them. So I worked on a process to ensure we have linen stocked in the patient rooms whenever we need them.
Finding the root cause was key to solving this problem.
Some of it was, linen availability, but also just, I think, communication between the team and expectations of who was responsible for stocking the linens. So I started out by doing a survey and gathering some information as to why we were having a delay in getting the linens stocked. Through that survey, I gathered some information and I made a checklist that we use on every patient door. It helps the team, when they go into the room, know what needs to be done. We also incorporated some other items on that checklist, so it's been very well received. Staff are able to quickly see what needs to be done in the room, whether stocking has been done, as well as other patient care tasks. I would like to spread the word, and if other units would want to incorporate this process, I'd be more than happy to share